Wet or dry?
Pray for me, Madura for me. Pray I find my way.
I'm so nervous. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is MsTopacJay, and if you're not new to my channel, welcome back fam. I hope you're doing fantastic. A few days ago I watched Mikey's video, and if you don't know who Mikey is, Mikey aka Glam and Gore, she is absolutely amazing. She does a lot of SFX makeup and all that stuff, and I really love her. So I saw her video, like, you know, she allowed guys on Tinder to pick her makeup, you know, choose the makeup and the kind of makeup she should do and all that stuff. So and I was like, I kind of want to do this, but at the same time a little bit look, if you know me in real life, yeah, you will know that I get a little bit scared, like, you know, doing online dating and whatnot. And I do have a Bumble account. I used to be on Tinder, but literally every time I download Tinder or Bumble, I literally like download it, I start talking to some guys, and then like when it gets to time to meet up, I chicken out and I just delete the app straight away, or I just ignore it. And I'm like, no that is me. Okay, so this is me right here, looking nice and pretty white. No, I'm black, but this is a white body. You get the drift. This is me. This is my comfort zone. Yeah, I am way outside of it. Okay, literally. So I am very nervous. So anyway, in this video, Tinder and Bumble in combined are going to pick my makeup. And apologies to the guys out there that I've already matched with. Okay, if you're interested, just keep watching. If you get to subscribe, this is one of those things that you're missing out, you know, watching me squirm. Just subscribe. Okay, join the fan babe. Let's jump straight into it. So first I had to download Tinder, which meant I needed to sign up because I deleted this old Tinder account that I used to have. So I signed up using my Facebook, and then I realized I showed my real name there and my real age and everything. So I deleted that and just signed up using my phone number, and then I changed my name to Tasia. So my name is Tasia. I'm 25 years old. Not my real age. I don't know, but it's my real photo. And literally every swipe I kept getting match. And then I was like, let me just take this over to Bumble. So I went back to my Bumble because I've still got the Bumble on there. Dad, I'm so sorry. If you're watching this, mom, stepmom, everybody, I'm sorry. Okay, don't pay attention to this. Okay, don't worry. I know you want me to bring an actual boyfriend home. God will make it happen. Don't worry. Okay. So yeah, so I went back to my Bumble and I started swiping. Literally every second swipe I kept getting matched, and usually I literally like take longer than I should. Okay, I take longer than I should to decide whether I should swipe right on a guy, because I'm like, I don't want no crib, because I've gotten cribs before. I'm like, I'm not DTF. Okay, I'm DTR, down to relationship. Okay, all right, let's go to Tinder first. So for primer, I have two primers here, and I need a guy to choose which one I should go for. I have the NYX and Jovial primer, and I have the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I think this is perfect. So I think I'm just gonna ask him. Let's see, let's find a guy to ask. Looks like Bilal messaged. Bilal said, Tasia, hey, that's me.
Yep, that's me.
Did you actually swipe right on me, or was that a mistake because you're hot? Thank you. Okay, let's say your next response will determine if I should stay. Let's just straight up ask Bilal if he's an angel or not, because the other guy is not responding. This is what I don't like. This is it. You match, you start talking, and then they just ghost. Anyway, let's just ask Bilal, are you an angel or not? Because I need to put primer on my face. Come on, Bilal. Come on. Bilal, it said I'm an occasional one. Excusez-moi. So he's occasionally an angel. All right, we're just gonna go with Too Faced Hangover RX. That's close enough. I have a message from Justin. Oh, ew. Justin, why do you have to have your tongue out? Let's just ask Justin what foundation will she use. Hi, Justin. Are you a beat around the bush kind of guy, or are you straightforward? If it says it's a beat around the bush kind of guy, I'm gonna go with somewhat of a bushy-ish brow. If it says it's straightforward, I'm gonna go with a nice simple brow. And for the foundation, if it says it's a bit around the bush kind of guy, I am going to go ahead and use Revlon Classic foundation. If it says it's straightforward, I'm gonna use Iman foundation, and that's because this one can get to full coverage faster than this foundation that can. Does that make sense? Yeah. Anyway, you get the drift. Good. Justin said it's straightforward. Okay, so that means I'm gonna do natural brow, and I am going to go ahead and use the Iman Luxury Concealing Foundation. This is in the shade Earth 3. All right, here we go. The foundation is on, and I always forget that this foundation is a little bit deep for my skin tone, but it's okay. Hopefully the next concealer we choose is going to counteract that. Okay, I have the Sephora high coverage concealer right here, and I also have the Maybelline instant age rewind concealer in a shade Hazelnut. How am I gonna ask this? Light or dark? Yep, because the Hazelnut shade is darker than this Sephora concealer, and the Sephora concealer is in the shade Honey Brown. So I'm gonna ask someone if they like it light or dark. They can interpret that any way they want to. I don't know. My brain is kind of fried right now, so I asked Bilal earlier if he's an angel or not, and then it's gone ahead and said, sorry if my text have offended you in any way, but just that your bio didn't say anything about you, therefore didn't know where to start from. I'm a really bad starter. Go ahead, you can unmatch. Tinder is probably not the thing for a boy like me. Oh, you're so sweet. Nah, Bilal, you didn't offend me. You didn't offend me. I'm trying to get to know you a bit. So, my next question, Bilal, is this. Light or dark? Okay, all right, here we go. So he says both. That question actually has various meanings, but I'd still stick to both. You can only choose one. Let me just put in an emoji so he doesn't think I'm pissed. I prefer dark. Okay, so we're using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. All right, here we go. Someone needs to decide if I should set this face or not. Earlier, remember I asked James if he looks like an angel while eating a pineapple or someone who is hungover? Okay, pause. Let me explain. So earlier, James had actually messaged me and asked me if I liked pineapple. How do you ask someone if you like, anyway, whatever. So I basically responded and I said, well, James, it depends if you look like an angel while eating a pineapple or like someone who is hungover. Don't judge me, okay? I just wanted him to pick between Too Faced Hangover RX Primer and the NYX Gingerville Primer, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me now. And he finally responded and said, I always look like an angel, so I guess that one. At least that's what my mom says. Okay, let's see if he's gonna respond quickly this time around. Hopefully he doesn't have to go and ask his mama. Let's ask him if he likes, let's just say, wet or dry. That's nasty. Mama, if you're watching this right now, please click out of this video because I do not want to have this conversation with you. Okay. So while we wait for James to tell me what to do about setting my face or not, let's ask someone else what kind of eyeshadow I should do. Okay, so let's ask Leon, that's his name. Okay, Leon. Hi Leon, are you shy or bold? So if he's shy, I'm gonna go with a natural makeup look. If he's bold, I'm gonna go with a dramatic makeup look. All right, here we go. So Leon says I can be both. How about you? I like to think I'm more bold though. Haha. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna go with dramatic makeup look, eye makeup look, that is. All right, let's go with subculture. It's been a while. This will kind of give us a bold look, won't it? Yeah, I think it will. Okay, so I think I need to decide which color. Oh, I'm gonna do exactly what Mikey did. I'm gonna try and pick a color. I'm gonna pick 3 colors to go bold with, and I'm gonna get them to choose a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 14 eyeshadows. Why did I count it? I know that already, but I forgot. I'll just set them to pick 3 numbers between 1 and 14. Let's go to Bumble and ask somebody to pick a number between 1 and 14. Looks like I'm having fun. Can't believe it. Ooh, Alexander. Hello, Alexander. Literally, that's how it's spelled. Alexander, not Alexander. Hello, Alexander. What an interesting name. Kindly pick 3 numbers between 1 and 14, please. Thank you. Oh, let me just copy the same message and send it to someone else, shall we? All right, let's see. Do we have any response for wet or dry? No other response. Let's ask someone else. Let's ask Justin. Wet or dry? Justin responded wet. Okay, I guess we'll leave my face like this. I mean, it's not looking too wet, so that's okay. Pick 3 numbers between 1 and 14. Justin is cool. Maybe I'll go out with Justin. No, I will not. Justin's the one that poked his tongue out. We don't do tongue poking. We don't do it at all. So let's just go. Ooh. Justin is my kind of guy, okay? Justin is very, very, very onto it. Like, he's onto it, mate. Literally. Justin went ahead and gave me 3 numbers straight off the bat. 3, 6, and 4. Okay, so we're going with this color, which is 3, this color, which is 6. I've never used that color. And this color, which is 4. Okay. All right, cool, interesting. So that's what we're gonna go with. We're gonna pop Destiny in the outer corner right here. I feel like I should have put Destiny in the lid because, you know, Justin is a Destiny. You notice how I said A, I didn't say mine. Forgot how beautiful the shade is. Look at that, and it's not even wet. We're looking weird. So I need to decide if I should put color on my lower lash line, okay? So I need to ask somebody. Let's ask Justin. Since he's very cooperative, I don't know. Let me just respond to the 364 so he doesn't, you know, so he's not suspicious. Wow. You're adventurous. Top. This might be weird, but let's just do it. Top or bottom? It might have matched me after this. So let's just see. If it says top, we are only going to do a wing. If it says bottom, we're going to put color on our lower lash line. Justin says top. That means we're only going to do a wing. We're not going to put color on our lower lash line. Okay. Mick is getting nervous. Mick said, what are we basing this on? LOL. Well, that's for me to know and for you never to find out, because after this video, I'm gonna go ahead and just delete my accounts as I usually do. Everything on my face is creasing. Like, do you see this? Oh, Justin. So I need to put lashes on. Oh, but wait. So someone needs to tell me, my boo, whoever my boo is out of all these people, need to tell me whether they like my natural lashes or they want me to put on falsies. Let's just ask Alessandra, who said, thank you, you have really interesting name too, 7911. Oh right, I did ask him to pick a number. Let me just say, wow, you're adventurous. True or false? If it says true, that means we're gonna have to go with bare lashes. If it says false, we're gonna put on falsies. Okay, Alessandra sent a message. He says, ooh, it's loading. True. Oh, we're going bare. Need to put mascara on. Oh, hello. I am not loving my face right now. Okay, so I need to find out if I should bronze or not. Let's just ask Mick, goddess or angel? Answer this and I'll tell you. So if it says goddess, we're gonna bronze. If it says angel, we're only gonna highlight. Okay, so Mick responded angel, which means we're not going to bronze, we're only going to highlight. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Black Up highlighting palette. This hair, like, this is what happens when you play with your hair and you end up pulling the twist out. You see that? But yeah, I'm gonna use this, and of course, gonna use that. How am I gonna ask if I should blush or not? How am I gonna ask? Yes, you know what blushing kind of does for your face? Blushing makes you look happy. I don't know how I made that up, but you know what I mean? Like blushing, you know, you're blushing, you know, cutesy or whatever, you know? So I think I'm going to base that on, I'm going to base the question I ask on that. Okay, all right. Okay, so Mick is very intrigued. Let's just go ahead and ask Mick, okay? Answer me this. I don't know why people say answer me this, but I'm gonna say it anyway. Shit, what did I say I was gonna say? Blush, happy or sad? Are you happy? I have asked the most lamest question anyone can ask on a dating app. The most lamest question ever. Are you happy or sad? What kind of question is that? Of course it's going to say he's happy. Oh, what am I kidding? Maybe it's gonna say he's sad. I couldn't think of anything else and I panicked. So let's just wait and see. Okay, so Mick says, haha, I'm happy. What's next? Oh, because I didn't set my face, the blush is sticking to wherever it is I start from. Oh my lord. There's only one thing left, and that's lipstick. Now, I don't know how I can choose the lipstick. Perhaps maybe we just go ahead and ask someone if we should leave it bare. Mick, ask what are the results. You're a stand-up guy, Mick. So Mick says, sounds like I've just completed a survey. Let me just ask Mick. Let's just finish off with Mick, okay? Should I leave it bare or put a lid on it? I'm confusing this poor bloke, but I'm sorry. I have to finish this. I have to. So tell me, leave it bare or put a lid on it? If it says that I should leave it bare, then I'm just gonna, you know, leave it bare. If it says I should put a lid on it, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick a random lipstick and slap it on. Thank you, Mick. Mick says to leave it bare, so we're not putting anything on the lips. Thank you. You're a stand-up guy. You're awesome. Now to delete my account. Oh, bye, Mick. Delete. Yes, we've deleted it. Oh, son of a gun. I thought I was scroll recording, but I wasn't at that time. But I have now deleted the app. Here we go. We've completed the Tinder and Bumble picks my makeup video. Do we like this look or not? Honestly, those two colors that we put on in the crease and the outer corner right there, I have never ever touched those two colors before, ever. And the brows are looking very natural on top of a semi-bold, kind of bold eyeshadow look and an exaggerated wing with no lashes on, blushed cheek, highlighted face, and I keep looking at myself at the viewfinder with no lipstick on whatsoever. I am ready to go out for a night out on the town. What? Yeah, anyway, so I had fun doing this. I was very nervous. I was both nervous. I was both nervous and excited to do this. More nervous, okay? Once again, if you haven't seen Mikey's video, aka Glam and Go's video, I'm gonna put a link down below. Make sure you go and check her out. You're absolutely going to have fun watching it. I actually watched it twice. Once by myself and second with my sister because she was curious as well. Okay. Yeah, this was a lot of fun. And bye Tinder. I'm not going back on Tinder. Again, I don't know. It just kind of scares me. It's weird. But yeah, I kind of like Bumble better, you know? Even though I leave it before yeah. I don't have social life. Okay, thank you so much for watching, babes. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe for awesome videos like this one. And thank you so much to Mikey for giving me the inspiration to do this video. And special shout out to Dimitra Humboku. Thank you so much for being part of the fan bam, and thank you for watching and for commenting on my videos. I appreciate you and I appreciate every single one of you guys, okay? As always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video. Bye! Now to go and unmatch those people I matched with on Bumble.
I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so just pray for me.